Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show how to make this type of product manipulation in Photoshop, so let's create. Fill solid color from the adjustments layer. Create a new layer, select brush tool, choose any light color. Decrease the flow, add brush stroke, increase size and decrease opacity. Select both layer and convert to Smart Object, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J and follow the process. Create a new layer, draw a circle by pressing Shift on your keyboard, fill stroke color and increase the size. Open blending option by double-click on layer, now add glow effect. Create a new layer, select brush tool, choose light color. Decrease the flow, change mode normal to screen, now creating highlights. Please leave a like and subscribe the channel.
It's not a game, it's a rich